There's so many joys and perils of urban logging, but the number one joy has to be roadside walnut! After some skillful driving and a well-placed ramp, I was ready to load my first piece. It only took 11 minutes to get it up the ramp. I literally love my 97 Honda Accord wagon to death. I was so excited to drop off my first load of walnut and get back for some more. And then I experienced the peril of getting stuck in my own backyard. Then I wasted time doing a bunch of stupid things. But I was able to experience a joy. My amazing wife.
Come on, honey, it's funny.
Who keeps me from taking anything too seriously.
Maybe not.
Finally, I got smart and jacked up the whole car. Should we try this again? I never had a doubt. I had to get back to my walnut. You see, the piece I really wanted was this rotted out section. They tend to have some amazing grain patterns. They're practically pieces of art. Like this old cherry stump. I think it turned out pretty good. Luckily, I didn't cause any accidents this time. This was a lot easier getting into my car. I love it when a plan comes together. I always anchor seal the ends to reduce cracking. I like to think that I learn from my mistakes. But then I always seem to make new ones. You know, the bottom line is, I love what I'm doing. So it all works out in the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to me on YouTube so you can watch what I do with these roadside treasures. And you can follow the progress of my projects on Instagram @ChopWithChris. Thank you.